This is the installation on the second floor of a multi-storied building. Pipe is cut to length and simply beveled each end. The burrs are then removed. Lubricant is applied to rubber joints and pipe ends. Then push together. That's one final installation complete. Then have a look at the next section being assembled. Note the bracketing and tidy installation. The flexibility of the rubber joint makes the final insert simple. Then, just clean the joints and enjoy a long, maintenance-free life.